follow me.
Red carpet service the whole entire time.
Amazing.
We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you, so I'm very happy.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him to anyone.
This is the first time we've had a realtor that was doing this good a job. What's not to like? Great guy.
Good morning, Hong Dan. It's great to be spending time with you this week. Happy to help you get your house on the market and be your neighbor here eventually. Here at your lot 5110 in Esplanade at Azario. And what's following this message will be a footage of your lot from front to back and from back to front, so you can see your view. And if you're watching this video and you have any questions, give me a call. My number is below, and I really appreciate your trust, and I look forward to meeting your friends and your husband and your sons. So it's really special to work with you, and I thank you very much. So enjoy the video, and I'm here to help. Just let me know what's next. Have a great sunny day, and have a safe trip back to Boston. And I'll just show you a quick look around here. Your lot is behind me. You see my bag behind me? That's like the center of the lot. Right there, the center. And then I will flip it around. Get my hat on. And so that's your almost direct view from the back of the lot. And you'll see this from the video. So have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.